Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video I will show you that how you can copy the link of any Instagram profile or account. So first of all you have to open up in the Instagram and let's suppose that I want to copy the link of this account. So I will click on the name of this account and their profile is open. So on the top right corner of the screen you are seeing these three dots. I will click on this one and then here it says copy profile URL. Okay, so I will click on this one. So let's suppose that I want to send this link to my friend through WhatsApp. So I will open WhatsApp and let's suppose this I want this I want to send a link to this one. So I will hold and paste and here. So that's how you can copy the link of an Instagram account and send it through WhatsApp. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.